This is the Brushmate CAV-JET Pro. It is the world's only powered paintbrush cleaning system that thoroughly cleans and rinses paintbrushes in 90 seconds. It makes everything about cleaning brushes faster, easier, and more efficient. This cleaning technology has been designed specifically for professional painting contractors and institutions. It saves time, money, and eliminates premature brush disposal caused from improper manual cleaning. The Brushmate CAV-JET Pro is a patented, patent-pending, cordless portable power tool. It simultaneously creates, combines, and uses a number of hydrodynamic cleaning forces that safely clean paint from the entire brush in seconds. The CAV-JET Pro is powered by a highly efficient brushless 20-volt DC motor and high-torque transmission. The 20-volt lithium-ion battery provides consistent, reliable, and prolonged power. This system is self-cleaning and maintenance-free. The Brushmate CAV-JET Pro also has a positive environmental impact. On paintbrushes, eliminates premature brush disposal. Brushes last longer, reducing the amount of environmental waste in refuse and landfills. Simply, fewer brushes thrown away on a global scale. On paint wastewater and water usage, instantly breaks down, dilutes, and aerates solid paint waste prior to its introduction into the treated wastewater system. Less demand on municipalities' water treatment facilities, uses water more efficiently than manual cleaning, therefore using less water per cleaning, while directing the user-operator to dispose of paint wastewater responsibly. On health and safety, this is a self-contained, hands-free cleaning system, which means less physical contact with toxic chemicals that are present in all coatings. The Brushmate CAV-JET Pro cleans and rinses paintbrushes in seconds, saves professionals thousands of dollars a year in labor and brush replacement costs, lessens the total environmental impact of manual cleaning, is portable, powerful, and efficient. Hydrodynamic forces are not new. The way we've engineered this power to clean paintbrushes is revolutionary.